So here's Aetna Health app. So you can just tap get and double click to install. Let's see. Yeah, manage your healthcare in one easy place. Take charge of your health and benefits in one easy place. Aetna Health app helps you stay on top of your health, all when and where it works best for you 24/7. Manage your benefits. With just a few taps, you can access your ID card and save to Apple Wallet. Track spending and progress towards meeting your deductible. Check on your health saving account, health reimbursement account, and flexible spending. View your plan summary and get coverage information. See claims and explanation of benefits. So yeah, you can just open it up and then see it here. So this is the app. And then from here, you can just create an account. You will need your first, last name, date of birth, email, zip code, and then choose how to create your account. You either need your member ID or social security number available. So to find your member ID in a few, that's where you can just find it on your card.